Morning YouTubers. Well, we've had some snow in London. It's snowing a little bit now. I say that because it's quite unusual. We get very little snow this far southeast, but it's all coming from the southeast. Well, it's going down from Russia, down through France and into the southeast of the UK. So we get about a quarter of an inch of snow and the trains will come to a standstill. Right, pallets, the cadmium yellow palette, I've just squeezed that out. This is raw sienna, alizarin crimson, light red, ultramarine, burnt umber, Payne's grey and burnt sienna. The Von Ranson large hake. I cut the handle of this a bit too short. Okay, now needless to say, I'm going to have a go at the snow scene, so I'll do a sky. I'll wet the paper first, get a little bit of water on it. I'll leave probably bits of sparkle. Yeah, I will. This paper, this is a Winsor Newton paper, and it's very absorbent. A bit more down in the foreground. Okay, so we'll put in a bit of, let's use a bit of that yellow for the sky and a bit of red. Let's have a bit of an orangey sky. And I'll put some over the snow area. Sorry for my head's getting in the way. Okay, and I'll put a bit of blue in because we've got a bit of blue in the sky at the moment, quite low down. And then we'll rest the clouds, so light red, bit of blue, makes a really nice grey. Remember that your painting will go much lighter when it dries. So this is the sky coming in from the east, which is on the left. Okay, that'll do. The paper will expand. I'll go back to the other hake, I think. Now we want to put some distance in there, but it's just a little bit wet at the moment. I'll just dry it off a little bit. So take your headphones off. Don't want it bone dry. I want to get some diffusion of the colour on the distance where I put my trees. I think my camera's just a little bit too low. I'm going to raise it up a bit. Okay, that'll do. Bear with me a second. Let's just take it up an inch or so. Then I won't keep banging my head on it. Okay, that'll do. Right, so some bit of distance trees, blue, bit of red. I want to put like a hill or a bank of snow. Not enough water on the brush. And we can put in some warm stuff with a bit of burnt sienna in there. Oh, we're a bit low, I'm going to have to squeeze some more out. Bit of silence. Bit of green, let's try that yellow. That's alright. I bought the cadmium yellow pale because I couldn't get the cheaper tubes of cadmium yellow, so I just used the last of that up. Okay, well that's alright. So some bit darker green there now. Just strengthening up the background there, just to make it a bit more interesting. Right, now we want some burnt sienna, bit of umber, bit of Payne's grey, just to darken that a little bit. I don't know if any of you were watching Country File on BBC last night. Got a lot of ideas from watching that, but I'm just making this up as I go along. But it was just that the slope and just showing a little bit of detail poking through, bit of grey in there. While that's wet. Okay. Show the slope coming up there. Just touching the paper with some bits. It's still taking a bit of it's still wet, so it's the paint is sort of soaking in a bit and going blurry, which is nice because I can dry it and I can get some harder edge stuff in there. I'll just give the paper a reclip. This is all very simple, basic, wet in wet. That looks like a bit of a reflection there, but I'll do something with that. I'll need a cloth in my hand, really. Okay, so I'll put in some. Well, what should we could put in a few pines there, but I don't really want. So I just want to put some rough ground there, or rough foliage. Just to cover that, because we're not painting a lakeland scene. Just disguise it a little bit. Okay, that'll do. That. Just put in a few. I've got this long brush. I've been talking to Alan Owen and he's talking about liner brushes, and I don't know if that's what he meant. It's quite a long-haired rigger. Look, I'll show you my normal one, which was quite long. The grey one on the right. Look, it's quite a bit. Well, it's a good. I don't know. Nearly a quarter of an inch longer. So we'll try it, see how we go. Just want to put some little bit of detail in these bits here. Just catching the high spots. I don't want too many. We can show a bit of reflection. Using the corner of the brush, just to put a bit of stronger detail in there. Okay, well that seems to be okay. Just some scrubby trees on that. Bit of a hedgerow. Not sure if my design on this is very good. Probably better without all that, but if I strengthen up that, it might take a bit away from there. So let's make this a little bit more scrubby. So the eye will go to there before it goes to there. Okay, just a little bit. Maybe we'll brush this. Okay. Handle. I'll put in a bit of blue. So a little bit of Payne's grey and a bit of ultramarine. Down that slope. Okay, no figures, it's just a landscape. Okay, I quite like that. Might put a couple of figures in. Right. a figure that, no, figure right in the middle. Put him there. Just struggling through the snow. On that bush. A couple of birds. Okay, put a signature on it. Oh, it's not bad for Monday morning. Okay, we'll put a blue mount on it. It's got very dull now, outside. No snow. There's still some blue sky out there, but a lot of cloud coming over. The window above my head is covered in snow, so that's cut the light down somewhat. A bit of masking tape. Take those off. Oh, there we are. So he's picking his way around the edge of the field, I suppose, best we can say about that. I think I took that in a bit hard. I shouldn't have come down there, but it's what it is. It's a walk in the countryside, snowy field. Okay, guys, let's just zoom out if I can. No, that's out as far as it'll go. Let's just see if I can get more centered that. Right, well there we are. It's just a simple snow scene. Have a go at these things. I put plenty of cool and warm colours in the background. I really wanted to take out that the gravity pulled the paint down really, but it doesn't matter. You can always lift it out with a damp brush. But well, let's do that. See what happens. Going any further. It's a bit better. Maybe I should have done it over there, shouldn't I? But anyway, one to be getting on with. Thanks for watching, folks. See you soon. Bye bye.